Hi guys, we meet again. This is Derek for Lonsdor. Lonsdor has supported OKLost and new keys, free pin code via OBD for Mazda new models after 2019, like Mazda 3, Mazda 6, CX-5, CX-9, CX-30. Here is a 2020 Mazda 3, and we will simulate the situation for this car to do OKLost for you. And here we go.
Now we will use our K518 IC to do OKLost for this car. And you can strap device to the steering wheel for your convenience to operate. We choose the Mazda. And for OKLost, we need to make sure have the Wi-Fi connection well. Remember, we will need to have 2 keys to be programmed for this car. For OKLost, this car will be the alarm situation, and you will need to wait for 30 seconds for the alarm to end. And for the simulation, we don't need to wait for this time. We already have all the keys far away from this car. We will need to hold for the start button on the indicator sides from the green to yellow, and then press this start button again. One more time. Okay. We will still skip this step. Now we will need to wait for 7 minutes. We can hear the horns, and which means we have already granted security access. Now we are to delete all our smart keys. Now we will need to add the keys to this car. Turn the ignition on, and when the indicator light turns green, we need to have this logo to the Mazda logo to the start button. Okay. Now we will go to the last step. We need to have these 3 smart keys to near to the ignition start button. We need to have the car start. Okay, for this one. Okay, and the ignition off. And we will click OK to finish the OKLost. And we will test these 3 keys whether it's work well or not. Lock the key. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. And start. Yeah, this car is work well. The second one. Unlock the door. second one is okay. The last one. Look at the car. We have all three keys and success for this OK Lost and work well for them. So it's well done for this one.